To read a paragraph, a full page of text, or a digital screen, hold Orcam Learn steady, directly facing the text, at a distance of around 12 inches. Press the trigger button to activate the laser indicator. A rectangular frame will be projected on the text. To capture the desired text, bring the device closer to or further away from the text in order to adjust the size of the rectangular laser frame. Release the trigger button. You will hear a camera shutter sound as Orcam Learn takes a picture of the text. Orcam Learn will make several beeps as it processes the text image. It will then begin reading the text.
Hello, early study of triangles.
A chime sound indicates the end of the text reading. To pause the reading, quickly double press the trigger button. To resume reading, double press the trigger button again. To skip forward, press the plus button. To go back, press the minus button. To stop reading, press the trigger button once. There are two laser pointer modes. One is the rectangular frame for reading a specific block of text or full text from a page or screen, and the other is an arrow for reading specific words. You can switch between laser pointer modes by simultaneously pressing the plus and minus buttons. To read a specific word, long press the trigger button and aim the arrow laser at the word you would like to hear.
Slunk.
Release the trigger button and Orcam Learn will read the targeted word.